Good day, Jason Travico. We're here at Bellows Airforce Base. And good morning. Please like and subscribe. Bellows Airforce Base is an amazing campgrounds. They have condos, and they also have a beautiful beach such as this with aqua blue waters. And let's check out the condos. Because why? They have an amazing view. Ta-da! Now, the Air Force Base have a lot of activities, and I'm going to share with you a whole bunch of stuff. So come along and enjoy this content. We are going to go over with some beaches with aqua blue waters, but right now it's kind of raining and kind of cloudy, but we'll get to a nice sunny day. We'll also be checking out some cabins near the beach as well and enjoy every moment of it. And also some campsites along the way. And they got some basketball courts and also crab hunting too. They also have a rec center with pool tables and air conditioning. So come along, there's more. This base also comes with a mini golf course and driving range. And also a bike path as well. And let's not forget, they have a paintball field. And last and finally, they have a mini store with laundromat and a gas station. Wow! Welcome, Jason Travel Crew, to the planet Earth on the state of Hawaii on the island of Oahu at Bellows Airforce Base. Good day, Jason Travel Crew. We're here at Bellows Airforce Base. It's quite beautiful. Check-in was like around 2 o'clock. Time right now is about 1900, so 7 o'clock p.m. And it's still daylight because it's still summer still yet. So the days it last a little bit longer. So we at Bellows Airforce Base. We come check out the rooms. We check out the activities you can do here. Pretty much beach. But it's a really beautiful beach. The sand is just so fine and the water is like aqua blue. So it's really fantastic. So on that, come along, come join us, Godspeed, and get out there and make some memories. All right, let's hit the road. Now, as we make our way to Bellows Air Force Base main gate, we'll come across the beach and eventually the main gate. Ta-da! Once you pass the security point with your ID and whatnot, you continue forward until you reach the check-in. Now, the check-in area is a rec center as well, and we're just around the corner. Here we are, and ta-da! Jason Travel Crew, we're here at Bellows Reservation Turtle Cove, and we're gonna head in. Oh, tonight, movie night. Oh, interesting. This is where you check in. So they have like blue houses. Starbucks here. So, Brothers Blue House, you can come over here. They got some pool tables, games. So it's a pretty cool joint. There's 3 bars, air conditioning, pretty neat. Yeah. So the rec center has some food that they do sell, so you can purchase from there as well if you're kind of too lazy to cook. Now off we go. Now on the left hand side there is some campsite for other activities such and so as example on the left hand side. Now as we continue on, we'll be hitting the mini store, and here we are. Ta-da! Alright, Jason Tracker. So right here they have an express and tea presso bar. What? They also have a gas station there as well, next to the car. And this is Bellows. So they also have laundromat as well. So this way you wash your clothes, take quarters. Ice over here, and this is the store. So we got all kind of stuff here at the store. coffee, hot dogs. Oh, you got the oil, what's it, milkshake? And they got slushies, water, alcohol, chips. So we got small bottle, fireball party bucket, a whole bunch of other stuff. And they also have swimming equipment as well. Moving forward, on your right there'll be cabins and group campers as well. And here is our cabin, our condo cabin.
Oh, cool. What is here? Ours?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Right there is the bathroom. There's the DVQ at that side. Distinguished visitor quarters. But we're located here.
I'm going to take a picture if we are inside, but don't forget to like the video.
Alright, Jettis and Chavaku, here we are at the condo. Bellows Beach condo, that is. So up the stairs we go and let's check out the room tour. Alright, folks, here we go. Alright, good, Jettis and Chavaku, so we're here. Alright, Jettis and Chavaku, so here's the kitchen. Okay, pretty neat. This is the view that we got. Sweet, there's a shared lanai area. Okay, here's the bathroom. Oh, not the bathroom, TV, dining set. And got a bedroom over here. Turn the light. Turn the light. Okay. There you go. And we got the bathroom in here. Kind of dark. There we go. Bathroom. And we got another room over here. And light is a bit kind of dim, so you just have to turn on the lamp switch. Okay, that didn't work. So light switch didn't work, so maybe we'll do this. And this will probably work now. There you go. We got a closet, AC here, and so this is the room. All right, and you got some fridge. Ooh. Okay, kitchen. Trash. Microwave. You got some cups as well. So this place comes with some stuff. All right, over and out. All right, this is the view. We have this whole entire area to ourselves. Good morning, Jettis and Travel Crew. Good day, Jettis and Travel Crew. So right now, the condos are here, and the beach is right there. But we're gonna play some basketball first. There's a bathrooms over there, near the DVQ, but just behind the palm trees, there's a basketball court. So we're gonna go over there, play some basketball. All right, over and out. All right, so here's the basketball court. It's actually near the DVQ, but it's open. So DVQ is later over there. It's time for the students' fish quarters. I have my kids over here. They can play some basketball hoops. Next. Okay. Next. Oh, hey! Good job. Next. Yay! Good job, guys. You do it, Mia. Yay! Good job! Good day, Jettis and Travel. We're here at the beach. Yahoo! Now, what I love about this beach is the amazing view. We're actually in a bay. right next to Lanikai Beach, one of the most famous beach in Hawaii. They have the sand as soft as possible. I mean, really fine, soft sand. And they have no reef too. It's just sand. We're here at Bellows Beach. So the water is pristine. And it's really beautiful. The sand is really fine. So it really gets into the hair of your skin. So check this beach out. Check Bellows out. So if you're military, it does have a wait list to get in. So if you're like retired, it's pretty much like 6 months out. Give you a heads up. It's a pretty beautiful beach during the daytime. Right now it's pretty much like around 6 right now. So during the day, like 12, it gets really hot. It's quite magnificent. Yeah. Now continue forward, there are some cabins along the way. So there are some beach cabins that's right next to the beach. So getting those cabins can get a little bit complicated because they're not easy to get, because a lot of people want them as well. So here we are at this beautiful Bellows Beach. Wow. Cabin here, there's a 324 Alpha and some other right at the cab, no, not the cabin, but right next to the beach. So it's quite remarkable. Yeah, look behind you! The water! So close! Now another activity they have is a regular fishing spot or designated fishing spot. So this is the only place that you can fish. There is some sign and there is a location that you can park your car overnight and do your fishing. So please obey the rules and clean up after yourself. All right. So here's the sign that says of designated fishing area. All right. Peace out. Like I said previously, here's the fishing at night. So you can have an example like a car. Speaking of night, you can go crab hunting and it's quite remarkable for the kids. So I hope you enjoy. Alright, just so this is the paintball field area at Bellows Airforce Base. So look at the field, pretty amazing. Let's go check out the front, shall we? So I got some pictures over the website, so this is what I got. Alright, so here's the front with more activities. Pretty neat. There's the paintball area. Here's the area. Right next to the camping area and the condos. Even got a mountain climber out there too. This is paintball area. Not sure what the heck it is, but it's here. Okay. Alright, Jason Charfu, we're here to ride Bellows Airforce Base, the bike path. So my little electrical bike, and let's see where we go with this. Alright, fix it up. Let's go. Good day, Jedi and Traviku. So here we are on the bike path. So Bellows Airforce Base campground has a bike path as well. As you notice, I'm riding my bike, my electrical bike, that is, riding down the course and eventually reach up to the store, and I kind of lost the bike path, but regained my bike path again after I found it later on. Now we'll be stopping over near the golf course. So near the mini golf course is also the driving range. So here we are, and voila. Here's the golf course, a miniature golf course and driving range as well. So, here, close up view. Like I said, this Bellows Airforce Base campgrounds has miniature golf course and driving range. And right across are a few cabins as well. And right beyond the cabins are beaches. Good day, Jess and Tropical. Right here is the established movie night, so you can see the screen right there, and people just come over here and just watch a free movie night along the beachside. But it does get windy. Bring blankets, bring umbrella, because it does kind of rain most of the times. And then right next to it is like the pub, so they got like some beers and sandwiches and whatnot. There's also the check-in area. Alright, signing off. Here's a statue dedicated to Navy SEALs, and this is how bright the beach can be. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel as well. And once again, thank you very much for watching at Bellows Condos Cabin Campgrounds. Ta-da!